fish sleep?
Yes, fish sleep. They sleep in the water.
Dad, why can fish swim?
Because they have fins and a tail.
Dad, where do fish learn to swim?
Fish do not go to school. They just know how when they are born.
Dad, I will catch lots of fish today for Mom and my sister.
That's the spirit, sport. I'm sure you will.
Wow. Dad, look. The lake is so huge. I am so happy. I want to catch fish now.
Let me show you how, Bill.
No, Dad. I can do it. I am an expert. Look, Dad. I'm casting my rod.
I see, son. That's a great cast.
No fish. Dad, this is boring. Dad! My rod is moving. I think I've got a big fish.
Bill, do you need my help?
No, Dad. I can do it myself. Dad! Help me!
Bill, stand up. The water is very shallow.
Oh, the water is really low. Dad, this is not a fish. It is an old shoe. Sorry, Dad. I didn't listen to you.
It's okay, Bill, but you must behave. Bill, do you want to go farther and catch more fish?
Yes, Dad. I want that. Let's go. We will catch many fish. Dad, look! The lake is huge! Huh.
Wow.
This place is so beautiful. Pinayo!
Bill, be careful. Do not play too much.
Dad, what is this?
This is an oar. It helps the boat move. Do not drop it into the water.
Oh no, Bill!
I am sorry. I did not mean to do that. Dad, what should we do now? Can we go home? Dad, I'm scared.
Calm down, Bill. We will find a way. Maybe we need to call for help. Hello, we need help on the lake.
Hey! We are here! Please help us!
Hey! Hey! Thank you very much for helping us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bill, do you still want to catch fish?
Really, Dad? Can I still fish?
Yes, of course.
But you must listen to me and do not play too much.
Bill, look. These are our fishing tools.
Oh!
This is a hook.
Dad, what do we do with the hook?
We put bait on the hook to catch fish. This is the bait for the fish.
Dad, what is inside the box?
This is a worm.
Ew, that looks scary. Will fish really eat this? I think the fish will get a stomachache.
Just wait and see. Fish love this bait. Now watch me, Bill.
Woo! Yeah!
I throw the rod into the water. I caught a fish. Wow.
Great job, Dad! Dad, I want to fish too. Dad, look! I did it! I caught a big fish!
Nice one, Bill. We are catching many fish today.
Yes, Dad. This is so fun. Dad, I am very tired,
I am too, son.
but I am very happy today. I am sorry for playing too much before. I will not play like that again.
It is okay, Bill. You did a very good job today. We caught many big fish.
Let's go, Bill. It's time to set up the tent.
Hooray! Let's go camping! Yay! Dad, this tent is very strong.
Yes, Bill. This tent is very strong.
Dad! Dad! The tent is flying away!
Oh. Maybe the wind is stronger than I think.
That is funny, Dad. Mom, we caught many fish today. I fell into the water today. Bill, are you okay?
Yes, Mom. I am okay.
Was it scary?
Bill had a big adventure day.
I am very proud of you, Bill.
Mama, this is the best day ever. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to see the next videos.